Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nice to have you. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the thumbs up and to subscribe so that you can see everything that I'm doing, because I'm doing some stuff here that is blow your mind. Today we're going to be making some storage. These storage are so unique because I will be using a sweetened condensed can. So in Jamaica, we call it tin milk. So I'm going to use one tin milk pan to make a storage. Very unique. First, you want to take a knife and you got to take this off. You want to take this off. So we're going to clean this off. Alright, it's off. Okay, so this is off. So for today, I'm going to use some black acrylic paint from the dollar store. I'm going to use some green ribbon from the dollar store. Also a pink ribbon from Walmart. And I'm going to use my hammer and my hot glue gun. So first, before I go ahead and paint the can black, there's some edges in here. When we open it, there's some edges in here, very sharp. So you do want to use your hammer or anything that you have just to close it up a bit. Them down so that when you're doing all the wrapping and everything, you don't get cut. There you go, perfect. What I do, I'm not going to use any pan or anything. Basically just going to put the paint on here. So I use my brush here, the sponge brush, and to just get the paint in. Get it all over in there. Yeah, can is dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start to apply the ribbon. You gotta measure it. One thing you want to do is to make sure that the ribbon is covering the right at the edge, because you're not gonna go, you're gonna put a little bit of the ribbon. So we're gonna put our glue and right on the ribbon and put it to the edge. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that every time you start the ribbon, you start it exactly where you started the first one. You want to start it exactly right where you had the first one. I am going to show you why when we are finished. Okay, when you're done adding the ribbon, just put it together. Now we're going to put our pink ribbon just to cover we're going to have this right here. We want to cover this, so you're going to go ahead and you can use the ribbon to just cover that right there. Cut right here. Right here. So the reason why I was telling you to get this in a one straight line, because you really want it to close right here. So when you get the ribbon around it, it is perfectly It's perfect because everything is in line, so you can just use your ribbon right here. I'll use some hot glue just. Okay, and then it's all sealed right there. You just seal it up, make sure that it is closed, and press it down. And you're gonna take the extra ribbon, because I did get a little bit over the amount that I needed, to make sure that it is sealed and it's in place. It joins together right there. I have these bows, little bows that I got from Walmart. I had these so I'm gonna go ahead and just add one of these bows. Just gonna add one of them right here, just to cover the place, the cover where we join the ribbon together. We're just gonna put one of that right here, there. It's beautiful. And the green and the pink, they complement each other so much. They look so good together. Okay, so for the upper part of this, we're gonna use some pink bling wrap. I got this in the dollar store. Everything that I'm using will be in the description below the video. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe, so I know that you're loving it, so I can bring you some more awesome DIY. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use the bling to cover the top of the ribbon, and also to take some of it inside of the can, so we can cover the sharp edges that we had inside. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna get some hot glue on it. Some hot glue to this edge of that. We're gonna use it to cover the ribbon, and then take it over inside of the can so that we can, there we go. All right, so to cover where the ribbons join, we're gonna go ahead and take the bling wrap. To cover where the ribbon is joining right here, we're gonna go ahead and take the bling wrap. So I'm gonna use this to cover right here. So I'm gonna mark it, and then I'm gonna cut it right here. All right, look at this. Look at this. Tell me what you think out of a condensed can, tin milk can, as we Jamaicans say. Look at this. This is beautiful. So you see stuff that you have in the house, not everything needs to be dumped.